Hello everyone, how are you doing? Hope you're all doing fine and welcome back to Learn with Anil. Have you ever wondered about the differences among the words trip, travel and journey? They seem to have the same meaning, but actually they do not. They have a specific usage in English. Let us quickly learn the differences among the words trip, travel and journey. Shall we begin our journey of learning? Yes, let's start. Let us start with trip. What's a trip? We many times use this word trip in our sentences. What is this trip? Trip is a short journey on a specific date at a specific time for a specific duration and then returning. Means to and fro journey for a short period. All this is included in a single word, that is trip. That's why we say a round trip ticket. A round trip ticket. That means a ticket for going and coming back. Let us see an example. We had a 3-day trip to Hyderabad during vacation. We had a 3-day trip. That means it was specific for those 3 days. We went and we came back, and that is why it's a trip. It's for a short duration during the vacation. For 3 days, it was planned on a specific date for a specific period of time. It is very short, and so it's a trip. It was an excellent trip we had to Vizag. We went and we came back. It was a short trip. I'm planning a trip to London next week. So in this sentence also, it is for a short duration. Observe all these sentences. In all the sentences, trip has got an article before it. Article is used before a noun, and so we can conclude that trip is a noun. Okay, so trip is not a verb here, it is a noun. Trip can be used as a verb but with a different meaning. Let us not talk about that meaning in this session. We are only talking about trip, travel and journey and the differences. So that trip and the other meaning, let us keep it aside for some time. And travel, what is this travel then? Trip is for a shorter duration and it's a noun. Then travel is a verb. Travel is a verb, an action of going to another place. It's very dangerous to travel on that road. It's very dangerous to travel on that road. I'm traveling to Mumbai. I'm traveling to Mumbai. I'm traveling to Mumbai. I say I'm traveling to Mumbai, but I don't say I'm on a travel to Mumbai. But I say I'm on a trip to Mumbai. Okay, so I'm on a trip to Mumbai. Trip is a noun, travel is a verb. So I am traveling to Mumbai, and we say I am on a trip to Mumbai. A trip. A is used before trip. A is an article, trip is a noun. Try to understand this difference. In the first sentence, traveling is used as a verb, and in the second sentence, it is used as a noun. Trip is used as a noun. I travel a lot. I travel a lot. When you travel a lot, you get a lot of experience. When you travel a lot, you get a lot of experience. So never say I'm planning to travel to Mumbai. Don't say that. You should say I'm planning a trip to Mumbai. Okay, it's a wrong usage to say I'm planning to travel to Mumbai. We must say I'm planning a trip to Mumbai. And also we should never say I saw the temple on my travel to Nepal. But we should say I saw the temple on my trip to Nepal. Journey. Then what is this journey? We saw trip and we saw travel. And now the other word is journey. Journey. Then what is this journey? Journey is a noun. Okay, journey is a noun. It's a movement from one place to another. One place to another. That means from point A to point B. Usually a long distance. Okay, so let's see examples here. My journey to Delhi takes 1 hour by plane. My journey to Delhi takes 1 hour by plane. I can't forget my journey of 500 kilometers to Kashmir. I can't forget my journey of 500 kilometers to Kashmir. I made my 700 kilometers journey by bike. I made my 700 kilometers journey by bike. See here, all these sentences has got journey in it, and it is for a longer distance. Okay, so journey is a noun, and it can also be used as a verb in certain cases, but not always. In general, more specifically, we use journey as a noun for a longer distance. Okay, you must have understood and you must have got the differences among these three words, trip, travel and journey by now. Make as many sentences as possible, and whenever the situation arises, use the correct word at the correct place. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.